When I was installing my ASUS RTX 4090, I had a difficult time figuring out how to combat GPU sag because the card was high in my case, so the included 3-inch standoff could not be used. What worked for my use case was the Lian Li GB001 anti-sag bracket. When installed in the ATX mounts, it did not allow the GPU to be fully seated. But in the E-ATX mounts it worked and eliminated most of the GPU sag. The sag bracket is fitted for both ATX and E-ATX mounts, but it should be mentioned the bracket does not have a screw hole for the lower E-ATX mount, but sits on top of the mount, resting above the screw. It works well. Additionally, I got some 7-inch to 11-inch tension rods made for light curtains on small windows. I'm not sure if the tension rods actually add support because nearly all sag is fixed with the anti-sag bracket. But in a situation where you cannot use the bracket, the tension rods would be a viable solution.